1, 2, 3. It's Eden Village Homestead, 'cause we're home instead.
Hello, Eden Village Camp. Welcome to the farm. We are here with another Home Instead video where we're at home instead and still connecting with the land and each other. I'm Simone. I'm the assistant director.
I'm Fabiana. I'm a farmer at Eden Village.
And today we are going to show you how to make cheese. We're really excited.
At Eden Village, we love making cheese because we love eating cheese.
And we have a lot of goats at Eden Village Camp, so we normally have a lot of cheese to make. This summer, we don't have any campers, but we still want to teach you how to make it at home with cow's milk. And we're sitting here in front of the chives because we're going to add a couple of chives into our cheese also.
I'm gonna harvest some right now.
While you're harvesting, I'm going to share a little bit about Tzar B'Lechaim, which is an awesome Jewish principle that translates literally to the suffering of animals, but really means not letting animals suffer. And Judaism has intention of really keeping these animals holy and making sure that they're elevated throughout, like from the moment they're born all the way until using their milk, which makes our cheese extra holy, which makes saying the blessing at the end feel really, really special. Should we go do it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it!
Okay, welcome to the Farmer's Kitchen. We are about to make cheese, and we have everything we need right here. We've got milk, we've got some vinegar, but you could use lemon juice also, a large spoon, hot strainer, bowl, and this is the towel that we're using in place of cheesecloth. But if you have cheesecloth, great, and if not, this works.
All right, so we're gonna get started. Step one is to pour your milk into a pot. Just like that. And now we're gonna go ahead and stick it on the stove. We are gonna heat up the milk on a nice gentle medium heat until it's just starting to bubble. You don't want it to completely boil. All right, so our milk has just started to bubble. We're gonna turn off the stove. And now we're gonna go ahead and pour in our acidic ingredient. We're using vinegar. I'm gonna pour in 1/8 of a cup of vinegar for a quart of milk. And just give that a few stirs. And then you're gonna cover it up and let it sit for 5 minutes.
Okay, so our milk is curdling away and separating into what's called curds and whey.
So the curds are the fat, sugars, and proteins of the milk. That's the cheesy part. And the whey is the leftover water and a little bit of extra protein. Let's see if our milk is curdled. Whoa!
Oh yeah, you gotta come take a look at
Come
this.
see this.
It's looking crazy in
Wow.
there. We're gonna strain you right now. We're gonna put this towel down and gonna pour it all out. You ready?
Nice and gently and slowly pour it
Oh,
through.
yeah.
Whoa! Look at that cheese.
It's looking cheesy.
Come see this cheese. So this is our cheese. This is the curds, and down here we have our whey. Now, you do not want to throw away the whey. It is very useful. What can we use whey for?
Okay. You can use whey for a lot of crazy things. People are using it for conditioner.
For smoothies.
We use it for a mordant for our natural dyeing. Check us out July 6th for the natural dye class using the whey.
And we can also give it to our chicken.
We like to feed it to the chickens.
Yeah.
They really like it.
I think we should do that.
Okay, come with us.
Okay, cool.
Good morning, ladies. We got some whey.
Hello. We have a treat for you. Hi, chicken. We're gonna give our whey to the chickens. Here you go.
They're excited.
Yay.
You are welcome, chickens.
All right, let's check on our cheese. It's been draining for a little while.
Oh, it looks good. It looks cheesy. Come check that out. Hello, beautiful
We
cheese.
made cheese.
Okay, so the next part is we're just gonna flavor it to however you wanna flavor it. We have some scallions and salt and pepper. Definitely salt's a good idea. But you can mix in whatever you want in the quantity that you want. Fabiana likes sweet cheese. I like savory cheese. We're making savory cheese right now. We're just gonna mix it up.
Yeah. We're adding scallions, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt. Let's give it a nice stir. There we go.
Okay, before we eat this cheese, we're going to do a quick blessing. And even though before a blessing always comes an intention. So may we use the laws of Tzar B'Lechaim, not letting an animal suffer, that has gone into this cheese, as inspiration to treat everyone and everything and even ourselves with that same intention and kindness and love. We're going to say Shehakol. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam shehakol yeh bidvaro. Amen. It was so fun making cheese with you. See you next time, Eden Village Camp.